It is the idea that anyone, regardless of their starting point in life, can overcome obstacles and achieve success. But resilience is not just about individual triumphs. It is also about collective strength. During times of crisis, when the nation has been tested as a whole, Americans have come together to face challenges with unity and solidarity. Whether it was the aftermath of 9/11, the economic hardships of the Great Depression, or the battles fought for civil rights, the American people have consistently shown that they are capable of coming together in the face of adversity. This collective resilience is what has allowed the nation to weather storms, both literal and metaphorical, and to emerge on the other side with renewed purpose. Part of what makes America's resilience so unique is its ability to adapt. In the face of challenges, the nation does not remain static. It does not cling to old ways of thinking or outdated systems. Instead, America has shown an incredible capacity to change, to evolve, and to reinvent itself. This adaptability is a key aspect of resilience. It is the ability to respond to new realities, to learn from the past, and to apply that knowledge to build a better future. Whether it is in the realm of technology, social justice, or politics, America has a long history of reinventing itself to meet the needs of the times. Resilience also comes from the capacity to turn setbacks into opportunities. Throughout its history, America has faced moments of profound failure, but these failures have often been the starting points for great achievements. The Great Depression, for example, was a time of immense suffering, but it also gave rise to the New Deal, a series of reforms that reshaped the American economy and social fabric. Similarly, the struggles for civil rights, though painful and fraught with resistance, led to profound social and legislative changes that have transformed the nation. In these instances, the setbacks were not viewed as insurmountable barriers. They were seen as challenges to be overcome, and they were met with the kind of resilience that leads to lasting change. America's resilience is not just about bouncing back from challenges. It is about using those challenges to create a better, more inclusive society. The nation's capacity to adapt, learn, and grow in the face of adversity has allowed it to evolve in ways that many other nations have not. It is this quality that has kept America moving forward, even when the path has seemed unclear or obstructed. The resilience of America is not just a matter of enduring hardship, it is a matter of thriving in the face of it. This resilience is a fire that cannot be quenched. It burns through hardship, through loss, through failure. It fuels the drive to keep moving forward no matter the obstacles, and as long as America continues to face its challenges with this spirit of resilience, the fire will continue to burn, lighting the way for future generations to follow. The ability to adapt and evolve is one of the defining features that makes America's fire unstoppable. It is often said that change is the only constant in life, and America has mastered the art of embracing change even when faced with uncertainty. The strength of any nation lies not just in its stability, but in its capacity to adjust to new realities, to take risks and to redefine its direction when the old paths no longer serve its purpose. This adaptability is woven into the very fabric of the American spirit, allowing the country to grow, thrive, and remain relevant in an ever-changing world. America's ability to evolve begins with the foundational belief that the world is not static, that progress is inevitable and must be pursued relentlessly. From the earliest days of the nation's history, there has been a deep understanding that the future cannot be predicted or controlled, but that it can be shaped by those willing to take bold action. The nation was founded on the idea that it could stand apart from the old world and create something new, something that was not bound by the constraint. This belief in the possibility of transformation is what has fueled America's ability to adapt and reinvent itself in the face of challenges. Perhaps one of the clearest demonstrations of this adaptability is found in America's political system. The Constitution, while a timeless document that established the country's foundational principles, has been able to evolve through amendments and reinterpretations, ensuring that it remains relevant in the modern world. The system of checks and balances that was designed to limit the power of any one branch of government has allowed for continued growth and progress without compromising the nation's core values. The very process of change is embedded in America's governing structure, allowing it to adjust to new circumstances without losing sight of the ideals that the nation was built upon. Moreover, America's adaptability is not limited to the realm of politics. It extends into its economy, its culture, and its social structures. Over time, America has faced numerous economic shifts, from the agrarian economy of its early days to the Industrial Revolution to the digital age of the 21st century. Each of these transitions has required the nation to re-evaluate its systems, its priorities, and its role in the world. The country has managed to stay ahead of the curve by embracing technological advancements, welcoming new industries, and fostering an environment where innovation can thrive. This spirit of constant reinvention is what has allowed America to remain a leader in global affairs. Despite the inevitable changes in the world order, America's adaptability is also reflected in its cultural landscape. The country has always been a place of great diversity, with people from all over the world coming together to build a new society. This diversity has never been a barrier to growth, but rather a catalyst for creativity, innovation, and progress. As the nation has evolved, so too have its cultural expressions. New forms of art, music, literature, and entertainment have continuously emerged, often drawing from the rich tapestry of different cultural influences. America's cultural adaptability has allowed it to remain a global leader in shaping the arts, influencing trends, and reflecting the complexities of the world. Socially, America has also shown an ability to evolve in response to the changing needs of its people. Throughout its history, the country has faced deep divisions and inequalities. However, it has demonstrated an ongoing commitment to addressing these issues even when progress has been slow or met with resistance. The civil rights movement, the women's suffrage movement, the fight for LGBTQ+ rights. These are all examples of how America has confronted its shortcomings, reevaluated its beliefs, and made changes that align more closely with its founding ideals of equality and justice. The ability to continuously question and challenge its own systems, to confront uncomfortable truths, and to push for change is what has allowed America to evolve into a more inclusive and progressive nation. Adaptability, however, is not a passive process. It requires vision, courage, and the willingness to take risks. America's leaders, innovators, and ordinary citizens have consistently demonstrated a commitment to shaping the future even when the path ahead is unclear. This drive to adapt and evolve is what has enabled America to face challenges head-on, to reinvent itself when necessary, and to keep moving forward in the face of adversity. It is not the absence of difficulty or change that defines America's fire. It is the ability to embrace change and emerge stronger as a result. In a world that is increasingly interconnected and rapidly changing, the ability to adapt is more crucial than ever. America's capacity for adaptation ensures that it remains agile, forward-thinking, whether it's navigating global shifts, responding to technological advancements, or addressing social inequalities. America's fire will continue to burn as long as it remains willing to adapt, evolve, and redefine itself in pursuit of a better future. The idea of a collective dream is one of the most powerful forces that drives a nation forward. In America, this dream is not merely a shared goal, but a fundamental part of the country's identity. It is the underlying force that unites people from all walks of life, propelling them toward a common vision, no matter how different their individual paths may be. This collective dream is more than a simple aspiration for success. It is an enduring belief that through determination and effort, anyone can achieve greatness, no matter their background or circumstances. At the heart of the American dream is the idea that opportunity is not restricted by birthright, class, or tradition. It is the belief that every person has the potential to shape their own future. This belief has inspired millions of people to leave their homes, to cross oceans and continents in search of a new life. It is a dream that transcends geography, culture, and time, drawing people from across the globe to a land where, for generations, America has been a beacon of hope, a place where individuals are encouraged to pursue their passions, to take risks, and to redefine what is possible. This collective dream is not a singular vision, but a tapestry woven from countless individual aspirations. Each person brings their own dreams to America, contributing to a broader narrative that is constantly evolving. It is a dream that has changed over time, reflecting the shifting needs and desires of each generation. The dream of the early settlers, for example, was rooted in the pursuit of religious freedom and independence. As the nation grew, the dream expanded to include economic prosperity, scientific innovation, and social equality. Today, the dream encompasses a wide range of possibilities, from personal fulfillment and self-expression to global leadership and environmental sustainability. What remains constant, however, is the belief that anything is possible and that anyone willing to work hard enough can carve out a place for themselves in this grand vision. This collective dream has been the driving force behind America's most significant achievements. It has fueled the nation's rise to prominence in every field: science, technology, industry, culture, and beyond. It is the reason why Americans, both past and present, are driven to innovate, to push the boundaries of what is known, and to constantly strive for improvement. The collective dream has inspired America to become the birthplace of some of the world's most transformative ideas, from the founding of the nation itself, to the creation of the internet, to the development of groundbreaking medical treatments. However, the power of this collective dream is not just in the achievements it has led to, it is in its ability to unite people despite their differences. America's strength lies in its diversity, and the collective dream is the thread that ties together the many cultures, languages, and traditions that make up the nation. Even as individuals pursue their personal goals, they are bound by a shared belief in the potential for success. This common vision fosters collaboration, cooperation, and a sense of belonging, making it possible for people to come together in the pursuit of a greater good. The collective dream becomes a force that transcends individual ambition, channeling energy and resources toward the common goal of progress. But the dream is not without its challenges. It is a dream that has faced obstacles, setbacks, and moments of doubt. There have been times when the pursuit of this dream has been marred by inequality, injustice, and division. Yet, even in the face of adversity, the collective dream persists. It is a dream that has adapted and evolved, expanding its reach and deepening its inclusiveness. The struggles for civil rights, gender equality, and economic fairness have all been a part of the journey toward realizing the dream for everyone, not just a privileged few.